All right, guys, we got to talk about it. This Canva Magic Studio update that's coming out is insane. A lot of the AI tools have already been launched and we've been playing with them for the past couple of months, but there's a few that are new that my mind is blown. So we're gonna start by importing a sample picture. This is just from a theater performance. You're gonna click edit photo, and then there's all these magic tools right here, but the one that's currently blowing my mind is Magic Grab. So you click on it, give it a second to work, and it's gonna basically separate the background from the foreground so you can move things around. So not only does it do like a cutout, so you can like move the subject around, and obviously it's not perfect, like there's a foot over here, but what it does is it fills in the background also. So again, it's not perfect. I'll zoom you in here. You can see like this isn't actually a person, like his face is kind of messed up, but if he was faded into the background and like he was just like this, but you could tell there's a person back there, like that would work. And then you could move them around and do all kinds of crazy stuff. I can't tell you how many times I've needed something in a photo to just be slightly somewhere else so I could accommodate text or other content. Of course, there's ethical considerations with this. In journalism, we don't want to be altering photos like this, but there's a lot of uses for this in the graphic design world and in advertising, marketing, your social media. There are so many cool things coming to Canva. Be sure you get your Educator account because you get all these pro features for free. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out because this is so exciting.